Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. We have a health video and we're just gonna jump right in. So this is the mug that I'm going to be using, and I'm just adding some water. You can steam your water, but just for time purposes I just choose to put mine in the microwave and put it on 2 minutes. I'll be using Tetley's classic black tea. Now, black tea has some really good benefits. It boosts your heart health, it improves your gut health, it reduces blood pressure, reduces the risk of stroke, yada yada yada. And this specific brand comes with 100 tea bags in the box, so I just take one and I'm just, of course, dipping it in as much as I want to. And it should be like a dark brown color. So now I'm just going in with Bragg's organic apple cider vinegar, and I'm just gonna have a spoonful of this. And some benefits of this is just it detoxes the body, it relieves heartburn, relieves allergy, it regulates your pH balance, and a lot of other things. And now I'm just going in with some raw honey, and everybody knows honey can help your throat if you're having a sore throat. It can help you if you're coughing, and it really just helps you fight off colds. But I'm just going to put a little bit in a spoon and then also put it in my tea, and now I'm just going to stir it. Now we're just going to go in with McCormick's organic ground ginger, and ginger can help with digestion, nausea, inflammation, cholesterol, and I just shake it a few times. Now we're just going in with some ground turmeric, and turmeric can help with weight loss, diabetes, digestion, your liver, and I put too much, but that's okay. But this is what your tea should look like, and then you're just going to stir until it looks satisfying to you. But that is it for this video. I drink this tea twice a day, morning and night, so you should definitely do the same just to make sure you're keeping your immune system healthy and fighting off different colds and illnesses. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at xo_Romani, and I will see you guys in my next video.